Hi, this is Mike Richardson, owner of Alliance Home Mortgage, and this is your mortgage-backed securities update for Monday, January 30th, 2012. The current trend direction is lower for interest rates, and our current lock advice is on shorter term and longer term locks. We want to continue to float, but in the short term, cautiously. And let's get into what's affecting the markets right now. The Grecian issues are still affecting the markets, with no resolution to the debt swap deal, and as a result, traders are opting for the safe haven of the US dollar and US bond market. The European Union Economic Summit is taking place in Brussels today, but their attention is being diverted back to the Greek debt swap deal. Germany wants EU officials to weigh in on Greek budget decisions as part of the bailout package, and of course, Greece doesn't want to have anything to do with that. This is a new wrinkle to an already complicated Greek situation, and ultimately, it would not surprise us to see Greece exit the euro. And then also, lurking right behind Greece for the next round of bailouts, austerity measures, and tough decisions is Portugal, whose 10-year yield hit a Euro-era record of 17.05%. Compare that to our 10-year. The Eurozone really has their hands full, and one thing we are not hearing is how the debt-laden Eurozone is going to grow its way out of its enormous debt. The short-term austerity measures are going to make the debt problem last a lot longer because these countries are not going to be able to pay the tab. The EU goal is to gradually get budget deficits down to 3% annually, and as an example, Spain is starting at an 8% budget deficit with unemployment at 23% and rising. Oh, and they just announced a negative GDP this morning of -0.3%. So how the heck are they going to pay the debt down? You're right, they won't. But someone will have to. And with the lack of alternative financing, the only way to get this done is for the EU to step in, print money, and secure the debt. That's where the focus is. And like I said, that's why we're seeing a flow of money earlier in the day come into the mortgage-backed securities market. Let's go ahead and switch gears and take a look at what's currently going on. It looks like we are only up 6 basis points for the day. You can see with our trading range on today's Japanese candlestick chart that we're definitely off the highs for the day. So this is why on shorter term locks we want to be cautious, because anybody that's going to be closing within a week to 2 weeks, we're going to want to possibly, if we can't reverse course from here, go ahead and take advantage of the interest gains over the last few trading sessions and lock those rates in now. Now, longer term, we want to see how this European situation is going to play out and see if we can further take advantage of improving interest rates. But shorter term, like I said, if we're not going to reverse course here, we're going to want to take a look at locking. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 530-410-0263, or shoot me an email, mike@ahmloans.com. Thanks a lot. I'll keep you posted and talk to you soon. Have a nice day.